we are now gonna reset this, and we will look for error code. So error code is 235. Okay, only one error code now, 235. Before we had more, so I will do reset of the error code. Okay, I think now it has been reset. So now we can restart. We can restart everything and we can see if it works. Put this to cold. We don't want to heat, we want to cold in the way. So, and we will check. Yeah, so far. Let's see, something is coming, no cooling yet, but maybe after some time we will have some cooling. Still, we have the blower is working and we can feel the air coming out, but the air is not cold so far. This is a old Mercedes 1997 W210. It is 1997, which means it's 27 years old, almost a classic car now. And the air condition is quite problematic in this car, but it seems now that we are getting a little bit of cold air. Perhaps if we wait a little bit longer, we will have more cold air. I will now perhaps check the error code one more time. I will check the error code one more time just to see what kind of error code we are getting. We have to put this on high, we have to put this on low, and then we will check the error code. If you're getting some error code this time, yeah, one error code only, which is 235. One error code only. Oh, one more, 422. 235 422. Okay, 235 235. Reset. And now we will start the engine again. If something happens. Error code 235. We have to look up what is error code 235. Okay. Not cold. Air is coming, but not cold. So I don't know if it's okay or not. We have recently changed the compressor. We have recently cleaned the valve. We have recently changed the evaporator.